Good morning. Today I have a microphone that's actually switched on. You can see by the little blue lights. So I'm hopefully going to do a better job of this vlogging today. I have learned that it is not a vlog, it is a vlog. Thank you, Aaron, for letting me know. So I went to bed pretty late actually, because I decided after 9 o'clock I finished all my recording, and then I decided, I'll make the next video. So I pulled all of the clips into my Premiere Pro and started to edit, and it was after midnight when I finished. It's way more work than you can imagine, or if you already do vlog, then you will know that it's a lot of work to pull it all together. So this morning I didn't want to get up early as usual. I had a call at 6, which I didn't get up for. And then the door knocked at 7:30. My mom brought me coffee, so I was very happy. Thank you, Mom. Yes, that was a cough. If there was anyone in the room, they would have run at that point. Yeah, I better go wash my hands. So I washed my hands, and while washing my hands, my memory card in my camera filled up. So I had to clear it down and also have the daily call with my colleagues, which was nice. Lots of positivity shared, so that helps to brighten the day a little bit. Still coughing quite a bit this morning. Hopefully it'll pass. I'm sure it's not anything to worry about. And I'm still waiting for my breakfast. My watch is on the charge, so I'm not sure what time it is, but I think it's around 10 o'clock in the morning. I did have a coffee delivered at 7:30, which was phenomenal. And I've been drinking sparkling water, and bubbles create, a little bit of a full feeling. But I need food. Please, family, feed me. Okay. Yeah, going to do some work, have some reports to create for today. And then, we'll see. Maybe do some yoga in a little while if my chest feels up to it. Okay. So it's now 10:05 in the morning, and I'm still waiting on my breakfast. I did send a message to the family group chat asking for coffee, but nobody has answered my call. I'm going to ask again now for some breakfast. I'm really hungry. It's kind of, I think maybe I'm going to ask for a stash of food for in here as well, so that I can eat something while I wait. The cough seems to have settled a wee bit, so maybe there was just a frog in my throat this morning. I don't know, we'll see how it goes throughout the day. I have a banging headache. That could just be that I spent so much time looking at my computer yesterday, but I do that every day, so maybe not. Anyhow. My food has arrived! Yay! It is 20 minutes to 11. Yeah? Feeling good? Nice to be out in the fresh air? Where's the wee dogs?
Running away.
Okay. I wouldn't blame them. I'd do the same. How are you, Ari? Come say hello. Hello. This is the Master Chef. How are you guys getting on?
Good. Probably
Yeah.
go into town and get some Blu-rays. We got a Blu-ray player that just arrived today. So.
Oh, brilliant. So Ari isn't just the master chef, she's also the master thumbnail maker. So,
What?
the master thumbnail maker for she makes the thumbnails for the channel. She's a graphic designer, she does some wonderful work. So the day is dragging on. It is 4:20. I'm really tired today, I have to say. Pretty exhausted. I think maybe I'm exhausted just from the lack of movement, you know, because if you move, like the body, if you use the energy that you have, then the body will produce more energy or give you more energy to use. But if you don't use your energy, then yeah, your body gets figures you don't need it, so it kind of claws back a bit. At least that's how it feels for me. So I think the fact that I'm not doing a lot of moving about is making me lose some of my energy, just making me feel really lethargic. That and the fact that I went to bed late and got up early. But yeah, it's been a busy day from a work perspective. Got quite a lot done. Still have a lot more to do before the day is out, but at least made some sort of progress. And I had a little snooze after my lunch because gosh, I'm tired today. But I could sleep more, but I'm not going to because I want to sleep tonight. So I'm going to try to go to bed a little earlier tonight. But so far, so good. I've had lunch. I'm just waiting for whatever the next food is going to be. There's no food at all in my room, but I do believe that my son Kieran is going to buy some snack type things that I could have in the room so that I've got something to nibble on if the parentals forget to feed me. So, yeah, that's it. Oh, thank you so much for the lovely plant. Oh.
Lock the door. Bye.
Yay, I love these. They are so good. Look at this. That is just beautiful. Yes. sparkling water. Happy days. Ballygown with the bubbles. Oh. Dervla is going for a walk. I am so jealous. So jealous. She's got her little rucksack on her back. So I just got a message to say that dinner is being cooked and it will be served soon. I am so excited because it is 8 p.m. and it feels like an eternity since I had those little bars delivered, which I ate immediately, one of them when they came in. I'm so used to eating frequently because I have 7 meals a day with the bodybuilding, and yeah, I feel hungry, but at the same time, I think I'm eating different food to what I normally would eat. Yeah, everything feels a little out of sync in comparison to the way things normally are. This is very different. I haven't coughed so much today. I mean, I was coughing quite a bit this morning. I do have a little bit of tightness in my chest. I don't know if this is anything or if it's just a cold. Might just be from all the changing from, coming from Sweden to here and everything else. I don't know. We will see. But I hope everybody has been having a lovely day. I am very excited that there's going to be a knock on the door very soon. I'm going to get food. Just a burger. Deconstructed. So day 2 has come to an end and tomorrow is the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Not sure what exactly I will do, but I will be here in the room. Hopefully feeling better than I felt today. I didn't feel so good today. So I'm going to go to bed now. The food is finished and it's still early, so should be in bed before 9:30. Get a good night's sleep and then just wake naturally and see what the day has in store tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Bye. Now I'm going to switch it off properly.